Alright, I'm gonna teach you little motherfuckers something. This is how Chicago niggas get down. Because we got the Glock 23C. So I'm finna show you how to rock.
Hello.
That's how you do it.
That's how you get down, huh?
Jesse James effects. Don't forget it.